Hello trader, looking at XAUUSD as NFP coming up in couple of hours. So we can see that this instrument grabbing liquidity from an important support level. So let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this upcoming session, starting with first of all bigger picture to see currently overall direction in this market. Now this is the monthly price action on XAUUSD, and we can see that with this new monthly opening, the price initially has dropped to this monthly pullback, and we can see that the price getting a rejection from this level. As if we look at this long term picture, this is a long term bull market. It's showing a potential trending direction. As the market is showing bullish pattern, we might see now potentially a retest of this monthly opening and closing, which is an important resistance line. And with the NFP, even we could see potential break to the upside to fill that long wick, or we might see a retest and then rejection towards the downside. We can understand from the lower time frame potential directional bias. If we look at the weekly perspective here, we can see the market so far tested this weekly low, and as usual it's an important support getting some reaction from the buyers, and the buyers trying to push the price back to the upside. As NFP coming, we might see now potentially a retest of this weekly resistance line in this instrument. Now as the market has got getting a rejection here, we might see that the price to retest or even potentially break the high to fill some of this long week from the weekly time frame. And as this is a long term bull market, we can expect a retest of this imbalance in the market with the upcoming data. Now looking at daily chart, where we can see this is the daily price action. Previous day was a complete break of support here, and after this break of support we saw the daily candlestick pattern has tested this significant liquidity zone, as there is a narrow red candle with back to back two gap opens, and the price just penetrated that level and has got a reaction here. We saw there is a buyers, and the buyers bought, and as usual today once the market opened, we can see that from the daily, after cross of this daily 20 EMA, the price immediately has got rejected to the upside. Therefore we can expect now a potential move back to the upside, either to retest this previous support turning resistance or even break up this high further to create a new higher high. Now looking at the intraday from 4-hour chart, we can see there was a breakup structure here. The price tested this, broken this support here and also support here completely below this level, forming multiple liquidity grab here. The price managed to reverse from this level, and now we see the uptrending market structure here. This is the 4-hour time frame where this candle is closing in 1 hour from this time of recording, and we can see this approaching this here 20 EMA. And as it is showing potentially bullish, we could see that ultimately the market to move back to that liquidity zone here, where there is a daily, monthly and weekly resistance line here. So what we could see for the market to potentially remain bullish throughout the session, and with the NFP we may see a spike down. And what I think that if we look at the 1-hour chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that along the way it's grabbing liquidity. This is doji, is a strong liquidity grab from this support level. This is the smart money zone, where we can see the price has grabbed liquidity multiple times, and currently this session as well we can see the price again moving back to the upside to create a potentially higher high. So this is where lower time frame price action will be waiting for potential bullish setup, as the market is showing that bullish pattern. As soon as we will find suitable price action confirmation for this potential move to the upside, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.